Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. Here's the next major build for Wicked Wrench Motorsports and our new official shop truck. This is a 1975 C30 flatbed dually. It's got great bones, classic square body lines, and plenty of character. But the factory drivetrain and suspension just aren't going to cut it for what we need this rig to do. We don't just want a shop truck, we want a reliable, modern workhorse that can haul parts, tow trailers, and look killer doing it. So we're tearing this thing down to the frame and completely re-engineering it. Under the hood, we're ditching the old school big block. Instead, we're dropping in a modern L8T, GM's current 6.6 liter. It is an absolute torque monster built for heavy duty applications. To back up that L8T, we are mating it to a modern 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination is going to give us incredible pulling power and smooth highway cruising. And for you engine guys, yes, down the road in this series, we are doing a full aftermarket cam swap to see just how much power we can squeeze out of GM's newest iron block motor. Now, as we walk down the side of this rig, you can see one glaring issue. The wheelbase on this truck is way too long. It looks like a school bus right now, and the turning radius is going to be terrible for navigating tight parking lots or maneuvering trailers around the shop. So we are absolutely going to cut the frame and shorten it. But before we fire up the torches, I want to get your input in the comments. How much do you think we should take out of this wheelbase to get the proportions perfect? Drop your suggestions below, along with any other cool ideas or custom touches you want to see us add while we're building this truck. While you guys are dropping in those comments, let's talk about the stance. This flatbed is setting way too high. So step one on the chassis is dropping that bed closer to the frame rails for a much cleaner profile. Up front, we are cutting out the tired factory geometry and converting it to a full front coilover suspension. Out back, we are fabricating a custom 4-link suspension paired with adjustable coilovers and heavy-duty rear airbag system. This means we can drop it down low for a clean stance, but air it up when we hook up the trailer. This video is officially episode 1 of the full C30 build series. We have a massive amount of work to do. Let's get to work. First things first, before we can even think about suspension geometry or dropping this bed, all this old junk has to go. We're starting by stripping down the flatbed, which means getting rid of those old stake sides. Luckily for us, they aren't even seized into the pocket. They're literally just sitting loose in the back of the bed. So we can just grab them and toss them out. Getting these racks off instantly cleans up the lines of the truck and lets us start prepping the bed for the real teardown. The goal here is to get down to a completely blank canvas so we can see exactly what we're working with. With the racks out of the way, we can shift our attention to the actual deck of the flatbed. As you can see, time and the elements have not been kind to this old wood. It is completely rotted out, soft in places, and totally useless for a truck that's going to be hauling heavy engines and transmission. We're using the pry bars, impact guns, and the air hammer just to rip these old planks out. It's dirty, tedious work, but you can't build a solid truck on a rotten foundation. Tearing this out also gives us our first clear top-down look at the C30's frame, which is critical for planning our upcoming rear suspension layout. Once we get all this rotted timber cleared out, we can finally assess the steel subframe of the flatbed. Because remember, the master plan is to drop this entire bed closer to the frame rails. To do that properly, we're going to have to modify or completely fabricate new bed mounts. We want that heavy-duty industrial flatbed look, but it needs to sit tight and flush against the cab, not hovering way up in the air like a standard commercial dump truck. Clearing this floor out is a messy prerequisite to all the cool metal fabrication coming up next. Alright guys, the teardown on the C30 is officially underway. We've got the stake sides off, the rotted floor is coming out, and the teardown is underway. In the upcoming episodes, we are going to continue stripping down the bed, removing the saddle tanks, tearing out the old original HVAC box, and getting ready for a new vintage air kit. If you want to see this square body get completely transformed with that L8T crate motor and 10-speed swap, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below on what you think of the build plan and how much we should shorten this wheelbase, and we'll catch you on the next one.